Hello, welcome back to another vlog. Just for a change, I had noodles, and as you guys asked me to show Rubik's Cube collection, I have shown in this vlog, which is at the end of the video, so keep watching. So I've shared how I curl my hair, and along with it I have shared some of the family time clip. Hope you enjoy watching it. So as I said before, I'll be curling my hair using this hair straightener. So this is Iconic hair straightener and I bought it from Amazon, and I'm just going to be watching the tutorial and then I'll be curling my hair. I've just done the 2 strands and it turned out to be so good. I've been looking for an easy tutorial, like I've just searched a lot of tutorials, but this one it was quite easy, and I just did the 2 of the strands and I'm just going to do the entire hair. Like curling, it looks like more of wavy than curly. It just looks like I've just blow dried my hair, and I really like the way it turned out to be. I think for the first time it's for the first try, I think it's nice. So it's really nice and it's looking good than every time just keeping my hair straight and like the same hairstyle I thought of curling and trying out. So yeah, it turned out to be like pretty good, not bad. So for the first time I think it's better. So over the period of time, if I just practice, then I think it would be more better and much better. So I really like the way it is, and I really wanted to do this type of hairstyle when I wear sarees, because just a normal straightening hair or just a flat hair would look so simple and normal. This kind of wavy hair would look much better on sarees. So this is pretty good. I really like the way it turned out to be, and do let me know in the comments down below how did you feel about my hair curling session. So once I practice like completely, and once I get to know the way, like doing it perfectly, I will share an entire video on that, like how to curl using a hair straightener. But for now, since I'm learning, let me learn and then let you know how to do it. So hope you enjoyed this curling session. So as you guys asked me for the collection, here's the collection, and this is the first cube. It is, I guess, 5 into 5 cube. And the next one is 4 into 4. It looks like a normal 3 into 3, but this is the 4 into 4 cube. All these cubes were bought from, some of them were from Amazon, Flipkart, and some from the normal stores. And the next one is the mirror cube. So this is kind of weird and it's a bit tough to solve. So the next one is a very tiny and the smallest cube of all. This is just 2 into 2 cube. So this is the basic cube, like 3 into 3, the first cube which my brother started solving, and this is the same cube, he just bought it in different color. So this is called as magic cube, as it's on the box. I don't know what it is called in actual. So this has the square shape, and once you start turning, it gets all these different shapes, and then finally you have to get it back to the original square shape. This is also called as magic cube, but it is in the pyramid like triangle shape. So this is also a bit difficult. So all these cubes like mirror cube or magical cube or this one, it's quite difficult and it takes time to learn. So these were the cube collection. This is a box of set of 4 liquid lipsticks from Sugar. So you get 4 minis in one box and all 4 are different colors. So the first color is a very pinkish, light pink, nude pink color, and this looks good on fairer skin tone than the dusky skin tone. I like all the liquid lipstick from Sugar, maybe liquid or matte, creamy matte, because it feels very comfortable when you wear it. This is a bright red, like orangish tint to it, and next color, this is a very gorgeous color which is a bit of wine shade, and I have a bigger version of this too. So that is all for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please subscribe and support me, and thank you so much for watching the video.